The architectural evolution of compact residences has witnessed a profound shift, transforming them from rudimentary, rustic dwellings into genuine, sophisticated masterpieces of design. And the featured model, aptly named Modern Elegance on Wheels, is a prime embodiment of this radical transformation. We've certainly moved beyond the era where embracing a minimalist, downsized lifestyle necessitated any compromise on personal style, comfort, or luxurious finishes. On the contrary, this particular construction is a definitive study in maximizing every cubic foot of limited space while simultaneously sustaining an exceptionally high caliber of luxury and undeniable visual allure. Seen from the exterior, the residence instantly commands attention with its sharply defined, clean geometrical lines and a fascinating deployment of varied construction materials potentially featuring a dramatic contrast between resilient dark, corrugated metallic panels and the inviting warmth of rich cedar accents, all perforated by an array of expansive, thoughtfully positioned windows that immediately promise a generously lit, free-flowing interior. These strategic aesthetic decisions elevate the structure far beyond the appearance of a basic towable container, establishing it instead as a deliberately curated piece of contemporary mobile architecture, engineered to traverse locations without ever yielding its fundamentally chic and stable presentation. The entire physical structure appears to be flawlessly poised and perfectly balanced on its bespoke trailer foundation, effectively conveying a sense of permanence and secure grounding. Despite the inherent and fundamental aspect of its easy mobility, upon crossing the threshold, visitors are instantly enveloped by a strikingly bright, almost ethereal atmosphere, an achievement rooted in the meticulous harmonization of several intelligent design components. The calculated adoption of a pale, entirely neutral color scheme including flawless white wall finishes, pale blonde oak wood flooring, and refined gray cabinetry works powerfully to deceive the eye and visually inflate the dimensions, successfully making the interior feel substantially more expansive than its true spatial capacity. The vertical dimension is also leveraged to great effect. A strategically placed vaulted ceiling, particularly over the primary common area, draws the visual line upwards, which is instrumental in preventing the common pitfall of a feeling of confinement or psychological restriction. Furthermore, the overall floor plan has been minutely engineered to facilitate optimal ease of movement and unparalleled functional efficiency. The gourmet kitchen, often considered the dynamic hub of any dwelling, incorporates surprisingly full-scale integrated appliances, durable solid-surface countertops, and abundant, ingeniously hidden storage solutions. Perhaps through seamlessly integrated push-to-open cabinets or deep pull-out pantry modules. This space has clearly been conceived for serious culinary practice, moving far past the needs of mere basic meal preparation, thereby emphatically reinforcing the promised elegance embedded in the home's official designation. The dedicated relaxation and private sleeping zones continue to serve as compelling demonstrations of the home's dedication to cutting-edge elegance and genuinely thoughtful, integrated design. The principal living room area manages to be simultaneously inviting and profoundly sophisticated, efficiently accommodating comfortable primary seating, perhaps a bespoke, integrated sectional that cleverly converts into supplementary storage or an additional bed for guests alongside a seamlessly integrated and intelligently positioned entertainment center. The successful operation of this compact residence absolutely hinges on the versatile deployment of convertible furniture, ensuring that essentially every element is tasked with serving at least two critical purposes.